Hola estudiantes de Español 1, bienvenido a la clase de Español. Welcome Spanish 1 students to Spanish class this morning. Today we are going to learn about our family, la familia, o mejor dicho, or better said, we're going to learn a little bit about our family. Vamos a aprender poco sobre la familia. ¿Por qué? Because hay muchas cosas que podemos aprender sobre la familia. Of course, there's a lot of things we could learn about our family, so today we're just going to learn a couple words, and I want you to focus on a few things. Number one, I want you to focus on listening, escuchar. I want you to focus on speaking, hablar. I want you to focus on writing, escribir, and I want you to focus on reading, leer. And the way you're going to do that is in this video, you can listen, you can speak, you can write, and you can read. And there will be prompts all along the way telling you when to speak or listen or to write or read. Okay? So, vamos a empezar. The first thing, the most important thing, or one of the important things. Hay muchas cosas que son importantes en la vida. There's many important things in life. But for this lesson, a very important thing is to listen and then try to pronounce with your best Spanish accent these words about the family, just like I do. Okay, vamos a empezar. Here we go. I'm going to say the word 3 times, and then I want you to say the word 3 times. So I'll say it, and then I'm going to say te toca a ti, which means your turn. So I'll say the word 3 times, 3 veces, then I'll say te toca a ti, and then you will hit the record button in your video, and you'll say it 3 times, and then upload that recording so that I can hear your wonderful voices. Okay, vamos a empezar. La familia, la familia, la familia. Te toca a ti. Muy bien. Okay, la próxima. So very good. We're going on to the next one. And you can see up here where I'm circling the word that we're going to say. So I'm going to underline this one. Here we go. El papá, el papá, el papá. Te toca a ti. Very good. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to skip over to this little person and this little person. And these are the only 2 we're really going to focus on today because it's a short lesson. So, this one, who do you think he is? Do you think he's an uncle or Santa Claus? No, of course not. This is, what do you think? Brother, right. Okay, el hermano. So I'm going to say it 3 times, and then I want you to say it 3 times. El hermano, el hermano, el hermano. Te toca a ti. Great, excellent. Now, that was a little trick, but did you remember that when we see an H in Spanish, there's no sound? We don't pronounce the H. So it's not el hermano, it's el hermano. I hope you got that. But you got another chance to practice here. Porque tenemos la hermana. And if that's brother, who do you think she is? Right, sister. And you know you can tell the difference because we've got the masculine el with the O ending and the feminine la and the a ending here. Okay? So I'm going to say this 3 times and we'll practice pronunciation. La hermana, la hermana, la hermana. Te toca a ti. Excelente. Muy bien. Excellent. Very good. So that's the pronunciation part of the exercise. Now I want you to work on reading and writing a little bit. So I'm going to move over here to this part of the screen, and I want you to say these out loud after I say them. So, hola, tengo un blank. What do you think we have? So what I want you to do is go into the computer, and it's going to ask you to fill in the blank here. And we're going to start with this person here. So how do you say, hello, I have a brother in Spanish? Te toca a ti. Excellent. Did you write Hola, tengo un hermano. I have a brother. Muy bien. Now, I'll bet your brother has what? Un nombre, a name. So you can use your own brother's name, or if you don't have a brother, you can say Juan. But I want you to write in Spanish on your computer, my brother is either your brother's name or my brother is Juan. So how do you write that? Go ahead now and write mi hermano es. Excellent, great. What'd you write? I just put down mi hermano es Juan. Excelente. Now we're going to move on to her. And I want you to write in Spanish, I have a sister. Okay? Te toca a ti. Write, I have a sister. Te toca a ti. Excellent. Did you write, tengo una hermana? Very good. Excellent. And just like your brother has a name, your sister has a name. And again, if you don't have a sister, you can make up a name. I'm just going to use Juanita because that's a good feminine version of Juan. So, how do you write in Spanish, my sister is Juanita, or your sister's name? Te toca a ti. Your turn. Go ahead and write it out. Excellent. Did you write, mi hermana es Juanita? Muy bien. Excelente. Entonces, es todo para hoy. That's all for today. What we learned was how to pronounce, cómo pronunciamos el hermano y la hermana, el hermano y la hermana, y aprendimos cómo leer y escribir unas frases básicas. And we learned to read and write some basic sentences describing our family. Bien hecho y nos vemos mañana. Chao.